Yes, so I'll be starting. 1 second. Let me turn on my video. Yes. So sorry for the background noise. There is some Ganpati celebrations going on near by my home. Sorry for that. Please avoid the background noise. Apart from that, so we are good to go. So let me start with few of the questions which you guys have already asked me. So let me check the questions one by one. Yeah. So the first question which I have got, I hope my voice is audible. Please let me know. Is it audible, guys? Please confirm me, someone. Yes, yes. Okay, thank you. So first we will see the first question is HDFC buy at 1600. What to do? Okay, so let's see what is there in HDFC Bank. Please avoid the background noise. There is some celebration going on. Okay, so HDFC Bank. So as we can see here, let me draw the levels from the beginning. I'll remove all the levels. First we will go to weekly time frame, and then we will see what is happening. So as you can see here, on the weekly time frame, it has broken the major support level. So there might be a breakdown in HDFC Bank because the numbers are also very weak in this. They have posted the results after the merger. First time they have posted it, so the numbers are also weak. So why I am doing this live, because how I draw the levels and how I see what is my perspective towards the drawing support and resistance, even you will be learning through that. So that's the reason I am trying to do it live, so that you people can learn it. Yeah, Neeraj Singh, hi, how are you? I'm good, I'm good. So what can happen? So 1600 is your buying level. His name is Karan Kathuria. So maybe we can see a pullback here. Yeah, यहाँ से एक pullback हो सकता है. Then we can get a selling again. So the next support would be around this level. Let me draw the next support. This would be the next support. So possible more 120 points is possible in HDFC Bank. Okay, so the next question, I hope this is clear. If you are already holding it, exit the stock. If you have bought it at 1600, then you have already lost around 4.5-5%, right? Yeah, screen is not properly visible. No, it's visible. Okay, it's visible. So please let me know, guys, if it is visible. Hi Sanya. So yeah, so this was the stock analysis of HDFC Bank. Okay, okay. So now next question we will see. Okay, it is visible. Thank you, thank you. So now the next question is from Athar. Why stock market is down in past few days? Yeah, see, Dream Flock, I will be telling only few questions are there here. After finishing these questions, I will be taking the people's questions who are attending it live. So I'll be taking your questions also. Stay tuned. First, we will finish it off these questions. Then I'll come to your questions as well. Okay, so why stock market is down in past few days? So there are a lot of things you need to see, because if you see crude oil, okay, so there is a relation between crude oil and stock market. If crude oil is surging, okay, you can see the crude oil is around all time 52-week high, right? So do you use Canva to edit? Yes, yes, I use Canva. Okay, so crude oil is at 52-week high. It means if crude oil is surging, what happens usually? So whenever crude oil surges, all the products, all the transportation costs, because the petroleum products get costlier, and due to that transportation cost will go higher, and because of that the profits of the company will come down, and even it will be heavy to the pockets of the normal common people as well. So due to that, the profit will slash, and because of that, the stock market will fall. As you can see here, Nifty, I'll show you in Nifty 50 chart. I was giving an alert because from last 6-7 days, as you can see, this rally, especially this rally, this was too much stretch, because within 2 weeks it surged 1,000 points. So it was a really great rally, but it was not sustainable. Why? Because वन साइड अगर एक कोई भी निफ्टी हो या फिर ब्रॉडर मार्केट हो या कोई भी स्टॉक हो, अगर 90 डिग्रीज मूव करता है तो इट विल फॉल लाइक दिस, right? So if it is going like this, it will come like this, the only thing. And always remember, if the stock is moving slowly and steadily, then it is very good and it is very healthy for that particular stock. So whenever you can see any stock which is surging like this, you should be very cautious. It can fall it like this. Okay, the same thing happened in Nifty as well. There was one sided move, there was no pullback. Now there is a sharp pullback coming on. So now let's see till what point it can fall. Okay, so I'm still bullish, I'm not completely bearish. So let's draw Fibonacci points and let's see where we can get 50% and 60% retracement. So 0.5 retracement, it has already crossed it. Now the last line of defense is 19,600. There is a round number there as well, 19,600. So at 19,600, if it is sustaining, then we might see a reversal, or else then after 19,600 I will become bearish. Okay, but there are immediate supports like 19,500, 19,444. So these are immediate supports. So here market can take a support. And on option chain also, OI data is very much active on 19,500 and 19,800. So 19,500 will act as a very good support. Okay, so that was my observation why market has fallen so much, because one-sided rally we have got in the last few days. So that's the reason we have seen a sharp pullback. Okay, so always avoid these types of, or else you can book your profits, or you can tightly trail your stop losses whenever the stocks or the index move like this on one side at 90 degrees. Okay, now the next is, will the market crash this week? So see, no one can predict the market. So what we can do is we can draw the support and resistance. Based on that, we can see whether the market will do what market will do. So we should react on what market is doing. We should not be predicting the market. Okay, so PSU banks. So Rahul Goswami is asking PSU banks. So let me check the index of the PSU bank. Okay, so as you can see, even Nifty has fallen, Bank Nifty is falling, but still PSU banks are making a higher high on all the time frame. Even if you see on a weekly time frame, it has made a all-time high, I guess. Not all-time high, but it is at 52-week high, right? So it is almost near the resistance of 2010 and 2010. So this can be the next possible resistance zone. So you can note it down. So it is looking bullish because Canara Bank has given a breakout. Bank of Baroda is also trading at a higher level, right? So PSU banks are looking good. Next, Mr. Pradhan. So he has asked about views on latent view and NOCIL. So let me check. The first one is latent view. Latent view, yeah. So first we will do it on the weekly time frame. We will see what is happening in a weekly time frame. So right now it is at support zone. As you can see here, there was a resistance, right? 1 second. Let me Yeah, so as you can see here, so there was a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and then it gave a breakout, then it came near a retest zone. Now you can start accumulating little bit but not full quantity. Suppose if you are trading with 100 quantities, okay, what you can do, you can just add 50 quantities, and remaining, if it is going up slowly, you can average it here, like you can do pyramiding. Okay, because overall broader market is a little bit bearish, so that's the reason you should be cautious. So you can trade with half the quantity, or else it is trading near support, so it might be it is a strong support. So only if it breaks this support zone, then we can see a downfall in latent view, or else I am bullish on this particular stock. Now coming to NOCIL from Pradhan itself, NOCIL. So on weekly time frame, as you can see here, so let me draw the levels. So on the downside, this is the strong support zone, right? So it has taken multiple times, it has taken support from this zone, and on the upper side there is a resistance here, right? So if you connect this, or else you can little bit, you can stretch it down here till here, still it is in the support area. Okay, so what you can do here is you can just simply wait for the right timings, maybe like on a daily time frame or a hourly time frame. If you get any reversal candles, you can just go for a buy. Okay, so here as you can see, even in this selling pressure, there are positive, like these are the reversal candles, neutral candles are forming. It means the selling pressure has come to an end. Okay, if you get any strong candle, green candle here, you can add your quantities. Okay, so it is right now trading at a support zone. So that's it. And next is, so those who are messaging, dropping the stock name, please wait. Let me finish the Instagram questions first, then I'll come to the YouTube thing. Okay, so how do you find the breakout stocks? See, basically I have few scanners. Apart from that, I do manual analysis. So based on that, I search stocks. Like let us take KIOCL is the stock. Okay, what you have to do, you have to just check on the first, we have to do on a weekly time frame. So on a weekly time frame, this level I have shared it when it was trading around 233. Right now it is around 335. Again, it is a strong breakout of another resistance zone, right? So this is a breakout. So now what you can do here, you can just wait for a retracement, wait for a retest, then you can add few quantities here, right? So this can be, this is how you have to find the retest, and you have to do a lot of analysis. So based on this you can learn. Okay, the next is like intro. Okay, support, resistance and trending, trend line drawing guide video. Yeah, sure, I'll be coming up with more videos on YouTube from now onwards. I'll be more active on YouTube and Instagram as well. I'll be coming up with the new learning videos like reels and long form videos also. I'm planning to make a series where you can start from like how to start trading and till basics to advanced level. So I'll be coming up the in that video. Okay, which indicator do you use? I don't use any indicator as such. I don't have any indicator. Then next is Soham is asking about Raj Ratan Global Wires. So let me check Raj Ratan Global Wires. Okay, so Raj Ratan Global Wire, right now it is in the zone. So you have to wait until this zone gets breakout or breakdown. So yes, so you can accumulate at support zone or else wait for the breakout. Once the breakout has happened, you can take the trade. Okay, right now it is in the no trade zone. Next one is CA Ankush Singhal holding rights from 390. What is your view? Let me check. Rights. Yeah. Rights. So on a weekly time frame, as you can see here, it has given a solid breakout, right? So it has given a solid breakout near this level. So if you have accumulated 390, you can trail your stop loss. If you go to even smaller time frames, you can check. So basically you can exit it, like your trailing stop loss has hit, but still if you want, you can hold it till this level is broken, 451. So still it can move strongly. It can take support from this 450 level and it can go up. Okay. Next, Lalit Shah is asking Bodal Chemicals. Bodal Chemicals. So on a daily time frame, as you can see here, it is coming near the support zone. So right now it is trading at support. So keep an eye on this, and even on a daily time frame, we have got a neutral candle, that is reversal candle. So one can consider for going for buy, but limited quantities as the broad market is bearish. Okay. JM Financials. Next is JM Financials. Any strategy for intraday can it be used, which can be used at Nifty and Bank Nifty? Yeah, I'll be making a detailed video. I have one or two strategies which are working really good, and I have back tested it. So I'll be making a video on that very soon, especially for Bank Nifty and Nifty. Okay, so JM Financials, again, it is at support zone. It has given a breakout, came for a retest. It is at near a retest zone. Okay. KIOCL, I have already, this question was asked by Universal Studio 8787. So how's KIOCL? It is positive. Wait for the retracement if you want to add more quantities. Attar Bombay Wala sir, total transportation please. Yes, I will be coming to that, don't worry. KIOCL I have already discussed. Please go back and see the video. Then HUDCO, this has given a good breakout, as you can see here. HUDCO has given a very good breakout. It is near all-time high, so you can keep this particular stock on your watch list. So once this level is taken out, that is 89.40, so it is an all-time high breakout. So once this level is taken out, you can add more quantities here. Okay. Maybe 90, you can consider 90 level. So it is right now trading at resistance. Okay. What is your view on JK paper? Tanishk is asking. Let us check JK paper. JK paper right now, it is trading in, yeah, let me see. So this is a resistance zone, and this is a kind of a support zone, right? So it is right now trading in the middle. So still it is bullish because it is holding at higher levels. Okay. The next is UCO. UCO Bank. This question was asked by Chandan. So UCO Bank has given a breakout. As you can see here, UCO Bank has given a breakout. So wait for right now. Don't enter in this stock because your stop loss will be too high, too big. So you won't be getting good risk to reward opportunity. So wait for the retest. Somewhere around 37 would be a great zone to again accumulate it. Okay. So there are a lot of stocks which has given breakout. Wait for the retracement. Having MTAR Technologies 2625 at 2625, 28 shares, hold or sell. View for long term. So Vaibhav is also asking about view on MTAR Tech. So there is a common thing. So I'll just take this MTAR. So long term means if you are holding above 1 year, that is long term. So anything below 1 year would be considered as a swing trade. Okay, so if you are sure that if you are holding it for long term, then I would suggest you to hold it. If you are holding it for swing trade, like if you have taken it for swing, then you can check the levels. I'll just one second. It is getting. Yeah. MTAR Technologies. Yeah. So sorry for the connection issue. There might be some connection issue. Yeah. So right now, again, MTAR Technologies has given a breakout. I have already shared this on Instagram as well. So it is right now trading near the retest zone. There is a support, strong support near this zone. So if you are holding it for long term, you can hold it 2625. Okay, you have already taken it somewhere here 2625. So there might be some big stop loss, but you can hold it until and unless it is breaking 2450. Below 2450, it will be bearish. Okay, time frame for swing trading and analysis. So analysis, I start doing it with weekly time frame, then I come to daily time frame and mark the levels on weekly and daily. Then I usually take entries on sometimes daily and sometimes hourly time frame as well. ओके सर मार्केट में और कितना करेक्शन होगा. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड अबाउट दिस in the beginning. Now the next question is from Vipul Maheshwari. Grasim targets. So let me check Grasim. So right now Grasim, yeah, this one I have already shared in the previous week, I guess. So right now wait for the retest. Okay, once the retest is done, then you will get small stop loss, good risk to reward opportunity. Then you can think of buying it at retest zone so that you will be getting a very good risk to reward opportunity. Okay, it is already trading at all time high, I guess. So you can keep trailing your stop loss. There is no specific target in this. Next question is from Parvez, Ramco Industry. So Ramco Industry. Yeah. So Ramco Industry right now maybe like it is looking like it is in downtrend on a weekly time frame. As you can see here, it is making lower low, lower high structures. If it is not breaking this particular zone, then we should be bearish in this. Let's see, right now it is not in the trading zone. Okay, so what we can do here is, so if you are already entered, so wait for 171. If it is coming below 171, you can exit, and anything above 192, it is a breakout, you can go for buy. Okay, so Navin Floor, Soham is again asking Navin Floor. I guess I can only take one question from each, so that others who are waiting, even those should get the answers. Yeah, so it is looking good, like higher high, higher low structure. So still positive until and unless this swing low is broken, 4265. And if it is breaking 4885, then it's a breakout. Yeah. So Union Bank, Target and SL. So only 4-5 questions are left. After that, I'll be taking questions from the YouTube. Okay. So Union Bank. So Union Bank has also given a breakout, good breakout in Union Bank. I've already shared this in the some of the previous weekly analysis. So if it is breaking this level, then most probably it will hit again, like it can go till this level. 150 200 levels can be seen in Union Bank. Okay, so PSU banks, especially PSU banks, are giving very good breakout, and we can see a good momentum in PSU banks. So always remember, be in the stocks which are in momentum. Okay, so right now PSUs are roaring. Make sure if you are building positions, build in PSU so that you will be getting maximum benefit out of it. Okay, so as you can see here, Bank of India is also at the verge of breakout. So once this 115 is taken out, then most probably then higher targets is possible in this. Okay, so 110, you have taken 135 shares for long term. What can I expect? So wait for the higher levels, maybe like around this level, like 170, and then we have 208 also, the next target. Is it possible to make 1% ROI daily? So basically, it is possible to make 1% ROI daily, but it is difficult to make it consistently. See, I can do it 1% 2% every day, but the problem is you can't do it every day consistently. If you can make it consistently, then you can be a very great trader. Okay, so the only problem is consistency. Okay, now the next question is KIOCL. I have already shared. View on PDS Limited. Let me check PDS Limited. PDS Limited. Okay, so it has given a breakout. Let's wait for the retest. If you want to accumulate it, wait for the retest level around 400. So then you can general discussion वाला WhatsApp group में join कीजिए. Yes, those who want to join the general discussion WhatsApp group, you can DM me. I'll be adding to you. Okay. The next question is from Hinal Patel. BPL stock I have buy at 86. Is it okay? Okay, so let me check BPL. Okay, so this one I have shared it personally. I have shared this stock in the previous week swing analysis post. So even I have bought few shares, like I have taken entry for swing trading in this BPL. So right now you can see it has taken good rejection from this level. So this was a resistance zone. This was a resistance zone. Multiple times it has taken resistance. When it gave a breakout, it came for a retest. Then from here it can go. Okay, and in this particular stock, why I have taken position, even though the overall market is bearish. If you see previous day, it has went 5% up, right? Even in the bearish market also it is going up. And one more thing is, if you see the consolidation zone, it has given a breakout of consolidation of more than 2 years, 2.5 years. So that is the reason. So the more it consolidate, if you see 672, so it is more than 2.5 years. Okay, make a video on swing trading, sir. Sure, Weber. So, the more it consolidates, the stronger the breakout will be. Okay, it works like a spring. So I'll give you a small example. Let us take, if you compress the spring, when you release it, it will not only go to its original shape, but it will elongate and then it will come to the original shape. The same reason, the same phenomena works in stock market. Whenever the tight consolidation happens, the more impulse move will be coming after the breakout of the consolidation. Either side, it might be on upside, on the downside. So upside, it has given breakout, so there might be a strong up move can be seen in this stock BPL. And you can see here, last time when it gave a breakout, so it was straight, like if you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 weeks, it gave more than 300% return, right? So the more the consolidation, the more the impulse move will be. Okay, so that's it from Instagram. Now I'll be taking few questions from the YouTube. Okay, so let me check. Yeah, I'll start. So please drop your questions. From now I'll be seeing your questions and I'll be answering one by one. Sir, about yeah, make. So, sir, what is the target of BPL for swing? So it is open, no need to put any target. And once it is starts rallying, you can trail the stop loss on higher high, higher low. Okay, yeah. And what about BF utilities? Atar Bombay wala, yes. So let's check BF utilities. BF utilities. Okay. So yes. So after moving really good, like now it is coming for a retracement. Let's see where it can take a support. So there are multiple levels here. You can see this is the one zone. There is another zone here. So it can take support from anywhere. Even this zone is also there, right? So it might take support from this zone and it can reverse from here. Okay, Nalco from Pradhan. Okay, let's check Nalco. Nalco. Okay, is it National Aluminium? Wipro for swing trading. Yes. Wait, I'll just. Yeah, National Aluminium एक बार देख लेते हैं फिर then we will go. Okay, so it is still looking good, but the problem is here, after a good breakout, it didn't sustain. It came down, right? So most probably only above this level 97 we can be bullish in this. Now total transportation. So total transportation, I guess this is the stock. I hope this is the stock which you are asking, Atar. It is looking bullish. Wait for good. Maybe like you can trail your stop loss if you are already in profits. Okay, you can go on a smaller time frame and wait for like check for higher high, higher lows, and then you can trail your stop loss. Okay, next question was from Jay Bhagwani. HPAL. HPAL. Wait, HPAL. HPAL. Okay, HPA. This is. So can I do intraday trading in stocks? yes, you can do, but intraday के अंदर क्या होता है that there will be a specific sector that will be very good for particular day. So you should be able to identify which sector is working good today. Okay, if you are able to do that, you can trade intraday in stocks as well. Okay, there, if you start trading in stocks, what happens, there are few advantages. Wipro, yes, Ayush, I'll be taking yours next. So what happens, if you start trading in stocks in intraday, your execution will be very fast, because you don't have time to uh, make market order, because your risk to reward will get disturbed. So your execution will become more faster, and that can help you in options and futures. If you are doing in stocks, start with stocks, then go to futures and options. Okay, and your chart trading, price action will also will improve. You can, yeah, Vaibhav is asking how to check which sector will perform good for intraday. So basically you can go and check, there are a lot of websites where you can get which particular sector is performing really good on that particular day. You can get charts on that. Okay, HPA, this is, it is at support zone. Okay, so it is at strong support zone. Let's see what happens here. Okay, Ayush has asked about Wipro. Let's see what is there in Wipro. I think IT sector stocks are mostly, they have given good breakout. One or two stocks have given good breakout. Let's see. Yeah, it is near, Wipro is near support zone. Okay, so if you are holding it, you can hold it. Below this support zone, you can exit. If it is coming below this support, you can exit the trade. Okay, also make a video on that, sir, intraday strategies. Thank you, sir. Welcome. Sure, I'll be making it one by one. I'll be making. So actually I'm planning to make a video series where a beginner can start trading from basics to advanced. I'll be sharing all the knowledge whichever I have. Okay, the next question is from Sanya. Avanti Feeds and PSP. Let's check. Avanti Feeds, yeah. So Avanti Feeds, right now it is in the middle. So there is no trading zone, because this was a previous zone, right? This was support which got turned into resistance. Now it again got turned into support. So it is slowly moving. Okay, if you are already holding it, hold it. This is the next possible support. 400 is the next possible support zone in this. Okay, PSB, let me check PSB. PSB, Punjab Sindh Bank. Okay, Punjab Sindh Bank. Sir, which time frame should be considered if I do intraday trade? So basically what you have to do, Raghib Imam, is you have to mark the levels on daily time frame, and you can switch to 15-minute and 5-minute time frame. Okay, 5-minute time frame entries would be very good. Preferably I usually do it on 5-minute time frame. Punjab Sindh Bank has also given a breakout. Wait for a retest if you want to make a new entry. All the banks, especially PSU banks, are looking very good. Okay, so view on LIC holding since IPO had listed. Okay, great. So a lot of people are stuck in LIC. Even one of my friend who is stuck in LIC. Let's see. Next was Sirca Paints. Sirca Paints. After Sirca, I'll check LIC. LIC is doing good, I guess. They have posted a really good result as well. So most probably this would be the next possible support zone. Wait for the support, then you can accumulate here. You'll get small stop loss. You can again you can get the target of 435. So again you can get 14-15% here. View on dream flow. Okay, he was the first one who asked. Sorry. View on dream flow. Okay. Is this IPO? Yes, I guess dream flow services. Yeah. Yes, this is a IPO. Maybe I don't know what this company does. Some good selling has happened. So what is your buying level? Noob advanced news FF view on Dreamflow. What is your buying level so that I can suggest you? So this is a support here. So this is the final what we can expect here. This here it can take support 360. Okay. The next 400 is a buying. Then I think you have to do one thing. Wait till this level is holding. It is holding this level 448. If it is breaking 448, if it is coming below 448, exit. Okay, don't hold it, because if you can see here, it went till 840 and sharp within 1 week you can see it has fell more than 27%. Next is LICI. So let's see LIC. Yeah, so LIC right now it is looking good. It has broken the trend line, and now it is marching towards upside. Now next support is around this level, 620 level. So one can hold it for long term, but as it is PSU, it can't be a multi-bagger, but it is a cyclic stock. Okay, so you can hold it, no issues. It can give us good dividend as well. Triveni Engineering, it has given breakout, I guess. Triveni Engineering. Yeah, so Triveni Engineering has given a good breakout. So it has retested also this particular week. It has retested also. So from here it can go up. Okay, any other question quick if you want to ask? I'll be closing it in 5 minutes. If you have any questions, you can just drop it down. Praj Industries. Yeah. Checking it. Praj Industries. Tata Chemical. Praj Industries. सर वर्ल्ड कप आ रहा है तो हम ईज माई ट्रिप में एंट्री कर सकते हैं क्या? देखो वर्ल्ड कप आ रहा है, कीप योर आई ऑन होटल स्टॉक्स, लेमन ट्री, ITC, then Indian Hotel, EIH Hotels. Recently some stock has listed, that is also very good. Then food industry like Jubilant Foodworks and lot of other things will work. Okay, so just make a video on swing trading and trade for beginner will be appreciated. You are doing good, sir. Thank you so much, Vaibhav. So Praj Industries, it has given a breakout, still holding on a higher level, so one can hold it, no issues. You can trail your stop loss. Okay, then Tata Chemicals. Tata Chemicals is in sideways from so many days, as you can see here. Actually, I was holding this stock. I sold it somewhere here at 1080. Okay, so again it is at support level, so from here it can go upwards. Okay, so still it is bullish. तो लॉन्ग टर्म में इथेनॉल स्टॉक्स कैसे रहेंगे? एकदम बढ़िया, बिकॉज दे आर eliminating this fossil fuels. So they are focusing more on EV and ethanol, these things, so it will be very good. And ethanol, India can export a lot of products. Okay, long term में अच्छा है. Then alkyl amines, alkyl amines. Let's check alkyl amines once. So it is not looking good. It is in downtrend from so long, but there is a support here. Let's check on a daily time frame. Yeah, if it is breaking this level, that is 2300 or 2310, then you should exit it. And only if it is giving breakout about 2540 or 42, then you can consider buying it. It is right now in the no trading zone. सर ओडिशा में मिलेट्स पर ज़्यादा फोकस हो रहा है, सो हम एग्रीकल्चर स्टॉक्स बाय कर सकते हैं. ईवी स्टॉक्स टू इन्वेस्ट. So I'll be making a reel on this, where to invest in EV. So there are a lot of companies which are focused on EV sector. So we can, so if I briefly tell you, Mahindra and Mahindra, Tata Motors, Tata Power, Adani Power, then we have Amara Raja Battery, Exide Batteries, then we have so many stocks. So these were a few. Okay, so view on AGI. What is AGI? Let's check. AGI, Agege Green Pack. Okay, let's check. Sir, how to find momentum stocks and momentum sector? So sector wise, what you can do, you can just go and check which sector is performing good. Okay, so based on that, you can go in that particular sector. So basically what happens, see, there is a mindset of foreign institutional investors or domestic they don't invest only in one stock in that particular sector. They punch orders in basket. Okay, so what they will do, they will buy 25,000, 25,000, 25,000, 50,000, 40,000. So bulk shares in all the stocks. Okay, so that's the reason the whole sector will go up. Now if you see, PSU banks are going good, all the PSU banks are going good, so they invest in all the stocks. What we do is, we only try to focus on only one stock. So that is where the problem comes. So you need 100% accuracy if you are investing or if you are trading in one stock. If you are doing it in 4 or 5 stocks, obviously 1 or 2 will hit the stop loss, other will balance it out. Okay, view on fact, FACT. So it is looking good. AGI Green Pack, it has given a good breakout. You can trail your stop loss. That is what I can tell. Fact, fertilizers and chemicals. Let's see what's there in this. So it is looking good. Higher high, higher low structure. Okay, this would be the possible support zone, 496. If it is coming below 496, you can book the profits, or you can add new quantity here. Southern Petrochemicals. Pradhan has asked Southern Petrochemicals. So let's see. Sona, BWL and Minda Crop. So yeah, these two are also related to EV. So these are also good. Southern, what was that? Petrochemicals. Yeah, Southern Petrochemicals. Yeah, it is looking good. This is a support zone here, right? So from here it can go up. This can be the possible target, 88 and 92. Okay, so that's it for today's weekly analysis. So we will be doing it frequently, as I've already mentioned that Previously I have already done it on Instagram, right? So I wanted you guys to learn something out of it, so that whatever however I am drawing the support resistance, if you can observe those things, you can learn something out of it. So that is the reason I am doing it on YouTube. So there is no much audience on YouTube, only 10 to 15 people were watching it live. But those who are watching it, please make sure you are learning out of it, something learning out of it. So soon I'll be coming up with more learning videos on YouTube, long form as well, and even the short form content, which is for reels and YouTube shorts as well. So stay tuned. And little bit market is bearish. Wait for some reversal. If reversal happens, then we will get more swing trading opportunities. Okay. So, sir, last Ember and let's check last stock. Thank you so much for your precious time. Welcome, brother. Ember and welcome, Pradhan. Yeah, it is looking good. It is positive. It is making higher high, higher low structure. So you can keep trailing your stop loss. So whenever the stock is moving good, you can trail your stop loss. That is what I can say. Next target would be this 3770. Okay. So keep learning, keep trading. Make sure always place a stop loss. Without stop loss, don't trade. Okay. So one trade can ruin your all entire trading journey. So make sure always place your stop loss and strictly follow the position sizing. Okay. So that's it for today's weekly Q&A. So we will meet in the next Q&A. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining in. And please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and do share it with your friends so that it reaches to more people. Okay.